So if you missed last week's video, my dad and I worked on replacing the throttle cables on my bike because they needed to be replaced, but also the dealership in Winnipeg had suggested that that might be one of the reasons why I'm experiencing some power loss with my motorcycle. Do my dad and I think that that's why I'm losing power? No, absolutely not. But we knew that they needed to be replaced anyways, so that's what we worked on. That is done, and today, instead of continuing to troubleshoot what's going on with the power issue, we are going to be doing a little bit of maintenance instead. So when I had gone to the dealership in Winnipeg for the power loss issue, I had also requested that they look into and hopefully repair whatever's going on with my rear brake because it began sticking on and I'd have to kick it off while I was riding. Unfortunately, the dealership was not able to repair that, but I do have the diagnosis in which they wrote, the linkage is sticking, the rear pivot pin is seized to cam, it's running on the bracket alone, elongated out pinhole causing binding, sorry. Recommended action is to replace all pivots and linkages. I will not be replacing all the pivots and linkages today. That is something that I might do down the road. Instead, my dad and I will be looking into getting that rear brake to no longer stick. And then next week or the week after that, we will continue with troubleshooting what the power loss issues may be. So let's get this show on the road, right, Lucy? Let's get it going. Gotta go.
This arm has to come off. So see down there? Can't get it from like this. No. Can you put the light there? Is it on an A?
It's like an upward angle.
Have to take off this exhaust, or you can try some of those Allen keys. Never get in there. Oh man. Oh yeah. Put a lot of grease in there too. That one was too long. You really pull it down?
Push it this way?
Down.
Down?
Yeah. Yeah.
A hammer won't work? Like it's a hammer?
Try it. Just bounce back on you. Could try fire, but it's gonna make a mess. I got you. Okay, they're both done. Both those have to come off, then we can pull this off. There's a clip on the back, we can pull this shaft right out. I have a feeling it's stuck in here, this section. This to me is all free, look. Although we have to put some lube on the joints, it's this.
What was that thing they said about like the linkages and everything? Is that?
There's a little bit of play. I'll show you down here. You can see there's that little bit of...
Yeah.
But I don't think that'll bother you. I know, I did it before and I put a lot of grease on there. You know when that's... Oh, you got anything at the moment?
Not yet.
Okay, hang on a minute. Black Beauty.
supposed to look like that on the end? Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's right.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, that door on that side is really hard to close.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see how stiff that is?
Yeah.
It's not there. So, see that little hole?
Yeah.
Let's see. There. That's all it is. Now, this comes off. This is where we have the problem. See how stiff it is in there?
Yeah.
That's where the problem is, this one here. These are a bit rough. This part doesn't seem bad. I think it's the other part.
Oh, this?
Yeah, see how it goes?
Yeah.
It goes in. I don't know how deep it goes.
I think that's...
The whole thing?
Yeah.
So, yeah, you're gonna have to spray
Okay.
and clean out. What do they call that? Like a Q-tip or something. Maybe you can get it in here like that. Kind of try to clean it. See the bushing? I don't think it goes through the whole thing.
I don't think that's as good as it's gonna get then.
So tight.
The same piece?
So, okay, stuff. What do you think?
Looks like it.
Maybe inside here was a lot of dirt or something. We gotta clean this end out too. If you want to do that with the brake clean.
Wow, it's like brand new. This one?
Put it here. Keep it from maybe getting kind of rusty. I think once we push the shaft in, fortunately, some of it will spew out. This. Okay, let's see if I need another pair of pliers. Seems to have spread a bit. Coming back to its bit of its original shape. This one goes on here.
Or is this?
Oh yeah.
I'll replace this.
You know what? This could probably. We can, if you get that mounted there. Let's put some copper on it. This is going to be the end of it. This. Put some copper shield on this surface there so that knows where it's going to stick. Next, we're going to see this pivot. Now, nice. Some oil. Okay, let's open. So, see inside that ball?
Yes.
Put some oil in there. Some plastic.
Oh.
Look at that.
Is it better?
Oh yeah. Look.
It does. Or does it? Wait. Does that matter?
No.
Oh, okay. It does seem a lot better because, like, no matter what, I had to kind of
Always
kick it.
gonna have a bit of play there. Yeah, see this ball there?
Yeah.
It's the same idea. Can you get in there a little bit? That's right, this one is a little worn. See this? You can see it right here. Can
Where?
press the brake.
Okay.
See how it kind of doesn't go in a circular fashion? It kind of goes a little off. I don't know how it would, the new one would be, but. Can you give me that spray? Yeah. We might have to leave that tray under there because the oil's going to drip all over the garage floor. You can wipe down anything that.
Oh, it's better. I can hear it's better.